In 2008 there were over 14,000 insolvency appointments in Australia. While that may not sound like a huge number, it certainly affects a great deal of people. No one running a small or medium-sized business is under the illusion that running a business is easy. My name is Gavin Waring, and in May of 1995 I saw my family home put up for auction after the collapse of the business I had been trading as a partnership with my wife, who was not directly involved running the business. We were both named as owners of the property on the title of the house. The advice we had been given was that trading as a partnership would save us on taxes, but when the business folded it meant that we were both liable for all the business debts. In the end, I lost the business, my family was wiped out along with my business, and we handed over our combined assets to creditors. I guess you could say that I am now in an experienced position to offer advice to other small business owners, which is in fact what my current company, Your Business Angels, does. For over 14 years, Your Business Angels has been helping businesses who are in trouble find a way through. Our processes can save your house and personal assets, or let you keep trading on despite a difficult current situation. If you own your own business or are thinking about setting up your own business, we're going to be talking about probably the most important thing you can do to protect your family home and personal assets: the structure. You generally have one of three options for a structure of your business in Australia. You can operate as a sole trader, which means you are conducting a business as an individual. Under this structure, the liability of the business are the same as the liability for an individual. Your second option is to operate in a partnership, which is in many ways and respects the same as a sole trader, but the liabilities of the business are shared by the partners of the business. Lastly, you can trade as a company. Under this structure, the business can exist as an entirely separate legal entity from the company, directors or shareholders. With some exceptions, this means the directors are not personally liable for any of the debts of the company. In my opinion, and the most basic advice that Your Business Angels can provide to you is never, never, never go into a business without operating under a company structure. I truly cannot stress this enough. In fact, my recommendation to any business owner who's watching this right now is to call your solicitors, or call your accountants, or call Your Business Angels and get your business registered under a company structure right now. Make sure the company has its own ACN or ABN and that you receive the company register folder. Pay yourself a wage from that company. You and your partner should never be directors of the same company. If you are both directors, one needs to immediately resign. The partner who is the director of the company should not be on the title of the family home. Ask your solicitor for advice and get this done. If they can't help you, call Your Business Angels and we will certainly go straight ahead and make sure this happens for you. Trading in anything other than a company structure is asking for trouble.